We know that leaders like you face challenging decisions every day. Understanding the risk of investing or the risk of not investing in people, facilities, or capital equipment may be the difference in winning or losing in your business. We are committed to helping leaders like you create healthy work environments for your hardworking people. As a manufacturer of semi-custom HVAC equipment, we understand this risk because we face the very same challenge. Cambridge exists to glorify God by enriching the quality of every life we touch. And the services we provide manufacturing and warehousing leaders is all about helping you to enrich the lives of your people working inside industrial facilities. We strive to make the products and services we provide align with our Why We Exist statement. There are tremendous physical health benefits for bringing in fresh outside air into your facility. Your people perform better when their bodies receive fresh, clean air. Your facility processes, including compressors, ovens, forklifts, and exhausts, can hurt your healthy work environment. Partnering with Cambridge Air Solutions is more than buying a heating and cooling system. We are all about creating solutions that work for your unique facility. We are not a high-pressure global conglomerate looking to sell you some off-the-shelf option. We are a family-owned, second-generation business in St. Louis that believes in creating environments where employees are safe, energized, and productive. Come see us. Connect with us for an hour in a live or virtual tour and see for yourself what a difference a unit produced by our greatest thinkers and our lean workers can make for your greatest thinkers and your team.